Come, join us on the dark side.
And by that I mean auto repair. I got a comment a while ago and I meant to do a video on it and I just haven't. And it was talking about the insanity of buying tools for a job. Well, guess what? This is a job where, yeah, you have to buy tools. It's part of the job. On the other side of it, you can go to college, get a degree, and work at Target, work at McDonald's. You can have $100,000 in student loan debt, and guess what? You work at Target for $15 an hour or whatever. This is a career where, yes, you have to invest in yourself, but on the other side of it, you can do it on the job. You can learn on the job and increase your skills, increase your income, etc., etc. This is a career where, yes, you have to invest. You don't have to invest in this kind of setup to be an auto tech. You know, I know guys that do a whole lot with a lot less. The guy I work with next to me does a lot of good work with a whole lot less tools than I have. You know, sometimes he has to borrow some stuff. I've had to borrow stuff from him too, so it is what it is. But the fact of the matter is that's the reality. Choosing what career you go into, well, depends on what you like to do. My daughter is a great example. She is getting a chemistry degree. I have no comprehension on any of that stuff. She talks about what's going on in school and I'm like, right over my head. And I can do the same thing with her in cars. Working on cars is not a job for everybody. It's a job that requires a special kind of individual that enjoys it. And it is a career that, well, can be very fulfilling, very frustrating. Well, just like any career out there, do what you like. Do something you're interested in. Auto repair is not for everybody. Just like chemistry is not for me. If you enjoy fixing cars, fixing things, it can be a great career. If you don't enjoy it, well, do something else because you're going to hate it. Everybody has that period in their life where they burn out on whatever they're doing. We all do. You know, whatever the career choice you've taken, you're going to get to the point where you don't like what you do because of various reasons. Your boss, the company you work for, whatever. It is what it is. But if at the core of it, you enjoy the job itself, you'll just find a better place to work. And that's one of the things that auto repair, well, gives you. There's a lot of bad places out there to work for no matter what the career is. You know, a lot of people don't understand that. You know, you can go, oh, I can go work at, you know, yeah. And, you know, sitting there on a job site doing HVAC, getting yelled at because you're not working fast enough, quality's not good enough, you know, yada, yada, yada. There's tons of ways that anybody can make a job suck. And that's a fact. So, do you have to invest in this job? Yes. Is it a good thing to do? If you enjoy it. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.